So a good way, if you have a forever match or something, or some good matches, this is a great way to get a fire going, is to build it kind of like a teepee style, and it allows you to stick your flame down here, and it'll start burning around the center. It's a great way to do a fire, very traditional, especially if you already have a well-established fire going. You can put actual fire fuel on there, big thick stuff like this, in the same fashion. And that's all that's going to happen, is that it will eventually collapse down on itself and feeding the fire even more. And from that point, you can start doing it all over again if that's what you want, or you can do a different fire, lay on top, and just keep feeding your fuel to the fire. So that's a bushcraft tip, and definitely one that's been used multiple times, many times. And I shall see you guys next time. So be good, stay safe, stay armed, be free. God bless. Thank you.